Welcome! In front of me I have CMF by Nothing Watch Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the resetting process. If you want to use the phone application to reset your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the CMF watch application. And if the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the CMF watch app. Then we can tap on device icon. And here you should see your CMF Watch Pro on the device page. Now we can scroll down, and at the bottom you will see the reset option. And you can tap on it, tap on yes, and then wait until the resetting process is complete. Once you see the list of languages on your watch, it means that the process is complete. And if you want to unbind your watch before it's finished resetting, it will start connecting it again. So if you don't want to connect the watch to your phone again, you need to tap the unbind button that is right here. It's gone now, but it was right here when we reset the watch. So remember to unbind it if you don't want the watch to start pairing again with your phone. And then you can basically close the app if you want to. Okay, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.